Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Hahn.
And I'm Dr. Leah Hahn of Body and Balance Wellness Center in Golden, Colorado. At Body and Balance Wellness Center, our focus is your results. It's important to us that you get the most out of the care you receive at our facility. Body and Balance Wellness Center is the premier facility for network spinal analysis, low-force chiropractic care, functional medicine and human nutrition, massage therapy, and mindfulness support.
Our passion isn't only to get you well, but it's to keep you well. We believe that healing requires an integrative approach between the client and provider. We believe that people who eat better, exercise, get proper rest, and handle their stress with positive strategies heal faster. Because of this, our focus will be to take a more comprehensive look at you and determine the underlying cause or causes of the problem. Our center houses some of the most advanced integrated approaches in natural health care. It will allow you to feel better faster, but will also continue to see improvement in your overall health long term.
Whether you're an athlete trying to take your performance to the next level, a mom trying to keep up with her kids, healing from an injury, or just want to live your best life, Body and Balance will be a great fit. Our providers are certified in the most effective chiropractic techniques as well as the most efficient modalities to increase healing. Our methods are evidence-based and scientifically proven to help you to reduce pain, improve stress, increase life enjoyment, improve your overall quality of life, and much more. Patients who fully engage in our center and take responsibility for their own health will see great results. Schedule your consultation and exam to get started on your path to better health at the most integrative and effective wellness center in the Golden area. Join our movement to make Golden and our surrounding communities one of the most healthy places to live. Remember, create health by choice and not by chance.